Sparky. Come on, let's try it again. Okay, Sparky. Come on, let's just give it a try. See what happens. Come on, honey. There you go. You can do it. Nice job, honey. Yeah. Oh, you want to step up on me? Okay, why don't you just stay right here and chew on that? Just stay right here for a minute. You can do it. You can just stay here, hang out. Yeah. Oh, I know. It's hard to get comfortable with. Okay, up on my shoulder? Okay, then. I know you're doing a nice job, honey. I know. Okay, you ready to try again? Let's do it again, Sparky. Okay. Nice job, honey. There you go. Oh my gosh, and now you can hang out on the table too? You're just a professional, aren't you? Gosh, you've got a lot to think about, don't you? There you go. You take the biggest piece, huh? Okay, Sparky, let's do it again. Let's just do it again. Hey, good job, honey. Yeah, you're doing very good. You just want to get back up on me? Well, that's fine by me, but how are you going to train? How are you going to learn new stuff? Let's try again. Let's just do it. Let's do it. Hey, Sparky, go ahead. Maybe. There you go. There you go. Nice job, honey. See? Is it time to go? Okay, then. Step up. Let's be all done here. Come on and get on me. Good job, honey. Nice